All right. So we are at the end of our presentation for the morning. At this point, I'm going to take just a few minutes and introduce you to the most important people in the summer. I stand here and talk in front of you, but as you all know, actual work gets done by other people. You already got a sample of it. Yenda is the one sitting behind the scenes, making sure everything works. But also day to day, you'll need to work with three other people who are quite important, actually four. So first, everybody who's here visiting, you've all corresponded with Ruth. So Ruth is over there. Ruth really makes the workshop happen, and she is ably assisted by Lauren. Lauren's next to her. So if anything works well, you have to thank them, and if something is not working well, you can blame me, right? And for the summer only, we have a student worker, Michelle, helping us. Michelle is also a grad student in the School of Education. She's studying school counseling, if I remember right. So if you want to talk about education in general, there's another good resource. But also she knows campus, she knows where everything is. So if you want to figure out something about where to find something, or if you lost your power supply for your Mac and need to know where the campus Apple store is, she can help you with things like that. Right? So please get to know these people well over the next few years. They'll help you. Another person who you may not see very often is Dan Mead. So Dan is part of the Whiting School of Engineering Information Technology Services Office, WCIT. So he's our sysadmin, and he set up a few things in the lab. And if there are other things that you need computer related, anything computer related, what you do is you can send email to, there's a help alias, which we will circulate to you by email. It's, I think, called WSCI, help at WSCI. Yenda, do you remember what it is? If not, we'll just circulate it.
I don't.
Okay, so there's a help email and you send them help and they'll come and fix things. Like, and once in a while we'll have some glitches, either the network doesn't work or something doesn't happen. So Dan is our man for that. So you're to get to know these people very well. And I think that's pretty much it. That's the end of the agenda for the day. So thank you for your patience. People online at this point, I will say, or we will say goodbye to you. And everybody else, let's take a break from here. And in about 10 minutes, reconvene in Malone Hall. And the good thing is all the students know where it is. So the grown-ups, you'll just have to follow your students this time, right? And we'll meet in the lobby at the foyer of Malone Hall, because all through the early part of the summer school, we've been in one room, but we actually have 3 different rooms, and each team will have its own room to work in. So if you meet in the foyer of Malone, we'll walk you to the 3 labs. And then after that, we'll break for lunch. And after lunch, we'll reconvene at 1:30, where you guys can start to work in earnest. Right? So thank you again.